watering hole in the Saudi Arabian rainforest gives life to a herd of Mongolian eagle hawks. They fly down from the tree of life after a long night of rest. Here, we can see the two different types of Mongolian eagle hawks, the four-pronged sharp beak and the rounded soft beak. Sensing no danger, they hydrate and return to the tree to sleep. The next day, the herd flies back down to the watering hole. Today, something is different. The birds are more on edge. They sense a predator nearing. The dreaded Peruvian honey badger is one of the most dangerous animals on Earth and can kill a full-grown human within seconds. Against the four-pronged eagle hawk, the honey badger does not fare well. It cannot fight past the sharp beak. The rounded soft beak struggles but, unable to protect itself with its soft beak, ultimately is overcome by the honey badger. The honey badger returns to his hunting ground. Once again, he is fought off by the four-pronged eagle hawk. Undeterred, he attacks the rounded beak and succeeds. The rounded beak population quickly reduces without the protection of a sharp beak. Next morning, the birds fly down to the watering hole. It has become dangerous to get their nutrition, but they have nowhere else to go. The honey badger lurks in the shadows. He spots a delicious-looking round beak and kills it. Today, it seems that the honey badger will not be bothering the birds. Two four-pronged eagle hawks commence in a mating ceremony. Very sexy. A young bird is born. The new parents struggle to bring their child back to the mother tree. Overnight, our infrared cameras were able to capture a mating ceremony between two young rounded beaks. Their child is born in the night. What a beautiful little thing. The young birds fly down to the watering hole. The eagle hawk is known for its extremely fast growth. Today, the birds put their unique attribute on display. The young birds are starting to get used to flying. The young four-pronged bird is not aware of a honey badger sneaking in. The young four-prong is taken by surprise and savagely killed. The round-beaked are dying 3 times as fast as the four-pronged. For those viewers who are uncomfortable with violence, please do not watch the following film. Today, a young rounded beak and its mother are drinking at the watering hole. The honey badger spots them and makes his way towards them. He savagely rips the young bird away from its mother. He rips off its wings and launches it into the sky. He then goes after the mother. The round beaks have taken a massive hit in their population. In the night, the last surviving round beak died due to old age. Only the four-pronged bird survived. The honey badger returns to hunt the eagle hawks. He tries to attack the four-pronged birds, but they easily defend themselves with their sharp beaks. His hunt is unsuccessful. Return to the Saudi Arabian rainforest a year later. The four-pronged birds are thriving. Without fear, the eagle hawks fly down to the watering hole. The honey badger has had little to eat in the past year and is weak. Malnourished and tired, the honey badger gives up and dies. R.I.P. bro. Bye bye honey badger.